Welcome back from Graphic Extras. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Photoshop brush in Illustrator to create it as an Illustrator brush. Now I'm just going to go to Photoshop. I could of course use any version of Photoshop, it doesn't have to be CC, but I'm going to quickly go over to the brush tool. I've set the colour for the brushes to be black, and I've already selected a brush here over in this brush palette. I'm just going to apply it. And the reason I'm applying this one is actually because it shows obviously it's got some grayscale, so it's actually, instead of all being pure black, it's actually got some grey. Right, I'm just going to now select it, and I could save this file now as a PSD file and open it in Illustrator. I'm just going to use it copy command, edit, copy. We go over to Illustrator, and now paste, and I want to convert this, like I say, I want to duplicate this. I want to be fairly exactly the same as it was as a Photoshop brush, within limits. Obviously it can't be exactly a Photoshop brush, but it's, so I'm going to be going for grayscale. Could have gone for colour as well, of course, and just going to go for that option. And depending on the complexity of the obviously the design, the brush design, you might want more or less greys. Obviously this one is fairly simple grey, so I've just gone for 50%. That's fine. I'm going to ignore the white. Like I said, I've selected that option, the button option, and ignore white. So just now it does it again, the progress. So it runs through that, and it's just finished. Right, expand, and that was the reason for the removal of the white, so you don't have any white there. It's all clear, as well as the bounding box. So once you've done that, next thing is just basically just drag it over into the brushes, and I'm going to select scatter. Of course I could select art brush as well, but I'm going to go for scatter brush. In this way that's probably closer to obviously a Photoshop brush than the other one. Actually be a real nice feature for Photoshop as well to be able to do that. But anyway, just click OK at that point, and now just remove that, and I'm just going to apply it. So it's basically, of course, you could change the scattering, spacing, as well as size to be, like I say, more like a Photoshop brush. Anyway, hope you found this quick tutorial of interest, and that you'll subscribe to the Graphic Extras channel, and thank you much.